I'm Riley Teeter, and I'm going to be walking you through how easy the Teeter is to use. In fact, we put it right on the product. 1, 2, 3. Set your height, set the angle, lock your ankles. So find your height, just slide it until you find it, click in, and then set the angle. I'm in fact going to remove this because I'm going to show you full inversion later, and then lock the ankles. And what we're doing by setting the height is putting half our body weight on one side of the pivot point and half our body weight on the other, so that the weight of our arms allows us to control the speed and angle of inversion. And you can see that I am in absolute complete control. In fact, I can even oscillate just by moving my arms like this. And this feels amazing. I mean, not only is it completely relaxing, but it creates a pumping action in the spine, really allowing that rejuvenation of the disc, moving fluid in and out of the disc to help you get relief. I'm also getting an amazing decompressive body slide because of the firm surface here. It's not letting my body sink in and stopping the decompression, but allowing me to get that full stretch. And if you want even more, you can reach up and push these traction handles. It allows you to add manual decompression. And in fact, I'm coupling this with the use of the lumbar bridge. And so I'm really getting that deep stretch in my lower back. So if you have sciatica or herniated disc, any sort of pain that's in that lower lumbar, this allows you to target that area and really get that decompression and alignment benefit. To get all the benefits, you never have to go past 60 degrees. This is kind of the magic angle where you get the pressure in the spine to at or near zero and can decompress in just 3 to 5 minutes. And so you never have to go to full inversion, but if you want to, the Teeter completely locks out. And in fact, it really does feel amazing. You can do these great stretches to really loosen up the lower back. I like to push right here. I feel like I get a pop out of every vertebrae. Feels great. You can do little exercises, target that abdominal muscles, or little squats here, really sculpt the glutes and the hamstrings. And when you're ready to return back upright, it's super simple. Just pull the table back towards your back and then bring your arms to your side. Look at that. It's so easy, and you can get relief. I mean, we're talking about natural, non-invasive relief. We're not just targeting symptoms and your back still screaming. We're actually bringing real relief in just 3 to 5 minutes.
Introducing the Innova Fitness ITX 9600 Heavy Duty Inversion Table. The ITX 9600 is an inversion table that comes with many new features that set it apart from other inversion tables. The ITX 9600 uses a unique and convenient angle slot pin system that comes with a protective cover. To adjust, simply return to the original position and move the pin. The slot system has 6 inversion settings to accommodate all users. The ITX 9600's height adjustment system can handle users from 4'10" to 6'6". As inversion therapy is based on each person's unique center of gravity, the ITX 9600 can also adjust the headrest and footrest. These unique features allow you to fine-tune the ITX 9600 to your exact center of gravity for the smoothest inversion experience. The adjustable headrest can also fully support your head while inverting. The ITX 9600 also has an ergonomic ankle holding system designed to soothe the pressures on the ankles while inverting. In addition, its reversible ankle holding system makes the inversion experience more comfortable for all users. This model also comes with a soft lumbar support pad for increased comfort during inversion. The ITX 9600's heavy-duty frame uses strong 38mm square tubes that can handle body weight up to 300 pounds. The ITX 9600 provides easy-to-use, comfortable back stretching and muscle relief. With everything that it can do, the ITX 9600 is sure to provide a new kind of inversion experience.
Introducing the IRONMAN Gravity 5000 highest weight capacity inversion table with no pinch AIRSOFT ankle holder and Sure-Lock ratchet system. The IRONMAN Gravity 5000 inversion table delivers a comfortable, state-of-the-art inversion experience for users of all sizes. The AIRSOFT ankle holders contain multiple connected individual air chambers and use our AIRSOFT technology, which allows the air to flow evenly through the different chambers. With these built-in air chambers, the system will tightly secure and fit to the shape of your legs and ankles. This serves to keep the user in total comfort. Now, you'll never have to stop inverting because of uncomfortable ankles. Our AIRSOFT padded cushion ankle holders apply even pressure to your ankles and feature a top chamber specially designed to provide extra cushioning and comfort. You won't feel any pinching or pain while inverting. Our easy-to-reach palm-activated Sure-Lock ankle system includes a solid double-lock ratchet tooth mechanism for a safer and more secure inversion experience. The IRONMAN Gravity 5000 inversion table is constructed out of heavy-duty tubular steel and capable of supporting up to 350 pounds of user weight and 4 feet 9 inches to 6 feet 6 inches of user height. The easily adjustable safety tether strap controls the maximum angle of inversion and provides up to a full 180-degree vertical inversion. An oversized 2.5-inch extra thick memory foam vinyl covered backrest with double stitching and removable lumbar pillow provides extra back comfort while inverting. Foam covered extra long safety handles and safety vinyl side covers protect your hands and allow you to easily return to the upright position. Tough rubber non-skid floor stabilizers prevent movement during inversion, while patented stretch handles let you easily position your body. Achieve the ultimate inversion experience with the IRONMAN Gravity 5000 highest weight capacity inversion table with no pinch AIRSOFT ankle holder and Sure-Lock ratchet system.
Experience pain-free inversion with AIRSOFT cushioned ankle holders that soothingly support your ankles while inverted. AIRSOFT's patented technology uses interconnected air chambers that are strategically placed to distribute the forces evenly, hugging your ankles in comfort. Other ankle holders create a pinch point that causes pain and tenderness. AIRSOFT is the only technology on the market that auto-form fits to the shape of your legs and ankles, alleviating the pinch points, delivering you superior, unmatched comfort while inverting. No pinch or pain. AIRSOFT.
Introducing the latest in inversion comfort and therapy, the Innova Fitness ITM 5900 Advanced Heat and Massage Inversion Table. The ITM 5900 is a heavy-duty inversion table that comes with a spinal heat and massage pad and many new features for the most comfortable inversion. It has an advanced vertical massage pad that can cover the entire spine area and a contour integrated lumbar pad to provide heat and massage therapy to the waist area. The unique system can be adjusted for heat and massage therapy, as well as many manual and automatic pre-programmed settings. Innova inversion tables have the first two-way adjustable system on the market. Adjustable height and adjustable headrest, which helps you find your perfect center of gravity for the smoothest inversion. This inversion table comes with a unique and convenient angle slot pin system. To adjust, simply return to the original position and move the pin, compared to old tether systems where users must dismount entirely. The slot system has 6 inversion settings to accommodate all users and comes with a protective cover. The ITM 5900 also has an ergonomic ankle holding system designed to adapt to the shape of your ankles with a large front and small back to alleviate the pressures on the ankles while inverting. It now comes with an extended adjustment bar to reduce back bending and back stress during inversion. The height adjustment tube can handle users from 4'10" to 6'6". Simply remove the adjustment knob and you can get your height setting in just seconds. The table's heavy-duty frame uses strong 38mm square tubes that can handle body weight up to 300 pounds. The ITM 5900 provides easy-to-use, comfortable inversion massage, spinal care, back stretching, and muscle relief. With everything that it can do, the ITM 5900 is sure to provide a soothing inversion experience.